name is David Maxwell, and I'm the president of Rolling Thunder, South Carolina, Chapter 3. I'd like to start off by reading our mission statement. The major function of Rolling Thunder is to publicize the POW MIA issue, to educate the public that many American prisoners of war were left behind after all previous wars, and to help correct the past and to protect the future veterans from being left behind should they become prisoners of war missing in action. We are committed to helping American veterans from all wars. Rolling Thunder Incorporated is a nonprofit organization, and everyone donates his or her time because they believe in the POW MIA mission. I'm here to speak of the Korean War Memorial that we have over at Warbird Park. In 2007, Rolling Thunder was instrumental in bringing the Vietnam moving wall to Myrtle Beach. That was quite a success. After the memorial was completed, people came up and asked some of our members, what happened to the Korean War folks? So we took it upon ourselves to get and look into and get a war memorial for the Korean War veterans. We approached the city of Myrtle Beach, and they thought that was a fantastic idea. The first year of this plaque, this war memorial, was a traveling plaque, if you will. And then in 2009, we presented it to Valor Memorial Park. It stayed there for quite some time. We then approached the city of Myrtle Beach to see if possibly we could have a different location. Bill Devon, who was our president at the time, worked with the city, and they designed and came up with Warbird Park. We then placed our chair, our missing man chair, as well as the Korean War Memorial there. It was placed on September 18th, 2014, which is National POW MIA Appreciation Day. The Korean War started in June of 1950. Approximately 150,000 troops from North Korea invaded South Korea. The United States, as well as the rest of the armed forces, got together in about 41 days, and we had the Korean conflict. Approximately 480,000 American service personnel went to Korea. Over 135,000 of those were reservists. More than 54,000 Americans paid the ultimate sacrifice, and over 8,000 are still unaccounted for. On June 27, 1953, the armistice was signed. This quote-unquote war is still ongoing. We are still there. One of the reasons that the Korean War Memorial is important to me is when I was in the service between 1970 and 1973, I was deployed or assigned to go to Vietnam. It was in '72, towards the end of the Vietnam conflict. When I was on the West Coast getting ready to go to Vietnam, they diverted me to Korea. And I thought to myself, well, I'm not going to argue about this, I'll go to Korea. Now, there is a lot of things that I remember, the place, the people, the scenery, if you will. But one of the things that I remember most about Korea was how cold it was. It is the coldest place that I have served or lived in my entire life. It was miserable. I was so glad when I was ETS'd and got to come back home.